How to turn on notifications for a specific app as well as disable or enable the sound and vibration for that specific app. This is for Samsung phones with Android 16 One UI 8.0. So let's just say there's an app that you want to go in and either just turn off notifications or choose what type of notifications will appear. Now, the first thing you want to do is find the app. And let's just say I want to do this for messages. I'll go ahead and long press it like this. Then you'll notice this eye in the circle, which is the app info icon right here. As I tap on that, it's going to take me straight here. Now, once I'm here within the app info section, I'll go to notifications right there. Now, as I tap on this here, it'll take me right here. If I don't want notifications for this particular app at all, as in nothing at all, I will turn this off. And nothing will show for this app. You'll still receive it in the background. You'll have to go into the app to get the notifications to show. But if you don't want it showing up on your phone screen, your lock screen, any of that stuff, just turn it off. However, if you choose to leave it on, and there are just certain things you want to disable for that particular app, let's say, for example, sound and vibration, you can just turn it off. So you won't get any sound and vibration. Notice how one of them went off as well, all right? So when you do this here. Now, if you don't want notifications for this particular app to show on the lock screen while your phone is in the lock screen mode, you uncheck this one here. That'll prevent any notifications from showing on the lock screen. Also for app badges, which is that little orange dot on the right top, if you don't want that, you'll do this here. And same thing here for notifications right here. As a pop-up, you can disable that. And basically by disabling all of these here, you won't get any type of notifications if you do it this way here, but leaving either one of these will give you different options. Now, you'll notice there is also configure in messages. So because this is the default Samsung Messages app, some apps will give you more options, whereas others won't. So in this one here in particular, once you go here, you're gonna see some more options as well. And you can either go to sound here and choose the sound for that notification, and as well as turn off or on the vibrate if you choose so, and the notification type, the preview of them as well. And if you don't want any of these here within the app itself, just disable it and you can back out, and then you can come back here and make changes if you so choose that. Like and sub.